Wow, we're watching a movie. Yeah. Wait a minute. Is that Scooby-Doo? I love that movie. Yeah, it's kind of scary to me. I do like Scooby-Doo, but it's kind of a little bit scary for me too. At least we're watching the movie. Yeah, I love watching movies like this, especially with the caption on the TV. I can read. I can read the words.
That's my grandma. Hi, Grandma.
Cool words, huh?
You're welcome.
Here's the funniest part. I like the part when that girl sneezes on the dog.
No, wait. It's probably just my grandma's perfume. Yeah, even I sometimes get a little allergic, Oh, Jesus. Because I'm pretty sure Grandma wants to go back and visit with her.
That's kind of cool.
Right, Grandma?
That's so cool. Scooby-Doo is the best ever.
Those sure do look like Scooby snacks.
I know they're for dogs. They're 100% vegetarian, and I love them.
Like me, too.
Far out! I have never met another person who loves Scooby snacks.
Me neither.
I'm Mary Jane.
Like, that is my favorite name.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
Gotta end this part.